Hey, this is Teddy Burriss. I'm your social media strategist, and I absolutely love this class that I get to do this Wednesday with Caldwell Community College and Technical Institute Small Business Center. With me this morning is Carmela Tomlinson. Carmela, how you doing?
I'm good, Teddy. I'm excited that you're going to be teaching this webinar for our small business community, and I know they'll learn a lot. So thank you so much.
Yeah. So, well, good to have you on here. So what questions do you have for me about this class?
My first question would be, who should sign up for this class? Who should attend this class?
Yeah, for me, I look at YouTube as a business tool, and I think that anyone who has a business that deals with people, and people who use devices and who use Google and who are looking for ideas and looking for resources, anybody who wants to work with people and grow their business around people should be on YouTube.
Yeah. I would totally agree with that.
Yeah.
That's great. So what can I expect if I sign up for this workshop, this webinar? What am I going to learn?
Oh my God. So we're going to focus on the basics, because if we don't have the basics nailed down, then we really can't grow it. We're going to talk about why. We're going to talk about the conversations about who are we doing this for, because that's really important. We're going to talk about why we're doing this for our business, because once we understand who we're doing it for and what our goals are, then we can transition into the other activities about how do I get started? Where's the click that creates my YouTube channel? And then once I've created it, what do I do with it? How do I build it out, make it look good? And then, Carmela, we're going to talk about producing your first video, which for many people is scary and overwhelming and daunting, but it's really pretty easy. And I'll help you understand how to do that.
That sounds exciting. That's really cool. Wow. So once I've signed up, tell me how it's going to help my business. Why should I sign up? What is it going to do for me in my business?
Yeah. So it's all about, first and foremost, it's about being discovered, because most people don't realize this, but YouTube is a close second as the second most powerful search engine in the world. YouTube, the second most powerful search engine in the world. So if you're not on YouTube, you're missing the opportunity to be discovered. And then if you are on YouTube and you create interesting, useful, motivational ideation videos for your target audience, for your ideal client, then that helps you to build trust, respect, and like. And those are three important pieces to make the phone ring. Yeah.
Okay. What I heard you say is every business that is watching this video needs to sign up for the class.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So Carmel, this is going to be, I'm going to make it fun, but I'm going to make it impactful. I'm going to make it useful. I'm going to give, really clear stepping stone steps that anybody who comes to this class is going to be able to use to get started. And that is the most important thing, to get started. So thanks a lot for inviting me in. Thanks for bringing me to this, to do this class. I really look forward to it. And we'll say hi on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, and one other thing I want to mention, hey, there's no cost for anybody that signs up for this webinar. So it's free on top of that. You're just investing 1 hour to do so much for your business. So you need to sign up.
Absolutely. And I'll put the link in the YouTube description area, so anybody can click on the link and register and come join us.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
We'll see you later on.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye.